Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car's been upgraded to have the opening panoramic glass roof. There's also 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and a smartphone charging plate. There's some great safety features too, including lane positioning assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 9,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.